This is one of the top 10 views of the West Lake, Pinghu Qiuyue, the outer moon of the calm lake, and it is situated on Bai Causeway. Gushan is right next to there. And this is the best place to appreciate the moon, especially at the Mid-Autumn Festival. The moon is super round and bright. Even in the ancient time, there was a poet in the Ming Dynasty called Xu Wei. He was utterly captivated by this view, so he wrote an acrostic poem about it. 平湖秋月，平湖一色万顷秋，湖光渺渺水长流。秋月圆圆世间少，月好似时最宜秋。The calm lake blends with the boundless autumn glow. The lake shimmers softly as water flows on. Round autumn moons are rare to find. Among all the seasons, autumn suits the best. So guys, autumn is coming and osmanthus flowers are blooming. So this is a great time to come Hangzhou. So if you come, don't miss here.